It's interesting to think of the vampire stories through history of how youthful blood, youthful secretions could help people stay young. And it's unclear where these come from. It certainly converges with our own research in thinking that there may be factors in young individuals, in young mice, in young humans that are youth promoting.
Dr. Rando has been studying young blood. What he's found is that it's a lot like a car that has just rolled out of the factory and into the showroom. Everything is new and in perfect working order. Young blood produces a protein called delta, which has reparative qualities. In older blood, the levels of delta drop off. Dr. Rando suspects that when young blood is infused into an older body, the young blood acts like a mechanic, rebuilding and repairing the older, worn-out blood. Science has now shown that there's real fact behind the science-fictional notion of a vampire's bloodlust and the eternal life that flows from it. To test this theory, Dr. Rando performed an unusual experiment in 2007. He took an old mouse and a young mouse and surgically attached their circulatory systems. As the blood of the younger mouse pulsed through the body of the older mouse, something remarkable happened.
We realized that the stem cells in the old animal were behaving more effectively. In response to small injuries to muscle, for example, they would heal more quickly. It wasn't as if the old mice started to look younger, but within the context of specific injuries, we found that tissues behaved and responded better, and they repaired more quickly.
Thomas Rando's work with mice at least suggests that it may actually be possible for you to, in a sense, transfer some measure of youth and vitality from younger organisms back over to older ones. It seems as though maybe the cells or some other factors in the blood can then be revitalizing the older organisms.